Hello po sa mga natutulog. Tulog lang po kayo. Naglilibang lang po. Hindi naman kayong nagagalit. As I write this letter, my heart beating much too fast for my pen. Soon I'll be in your arms again. To think I'll be with you, to taste all those sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that what I'm longing for. But most of all, I just wanna hear that wonderful sounds. I love you. I bring sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I hear the sound, that wonderful sounds. I need you. My have I ever did we part? I need reassuring. Those that have been storing up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Will you still remember? And our love be tender and strong. I've been away from you so long. So when I home, I just wanna hear the wonderful sounds. I love you. It's real.